In this tutorial, I will teach you how to add Zapier in Squarespace. Zapier is a powerful tool that efficiently automates tasks between different web services. The platform provides a particularly potent pairing with the Squarespace website building service, providing you with the means to streamline numerous business and engagement processes. With your Squarespace forms at hand, you could connect them with your desired action app, whether that be Google Sheets, Stash, or Slack, among others. Now, let's get started. First, we need to begin at the Zapier website. Once you're on the homepage, your first task is to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated task you can set up between two apps. For this guide, one of those apps will be Squarespace, and the other will be your desired action app. After starting the creation of a new Zap, you'll be prompted to select a trigger app. This is the app that will initiate our automated task. In our case, scroll through the options and select Squarespace Forms as your trigger app. Next, you may be asked to connect a new account with Zapier. If such a prompt appears, opt for plus add a connection. This step will allow you to link your Squarespace account with Zapier, establishing a connection that is essential for the automation to function properly. Once your account is connected and your Squarespace forms are accessible through Zapier, you will need to choose the exact form that you want to act as the trigger for the automation. When you have selected the correct form, hit the Test Trigger button, which will pull in example data from your chosen form. This step checks to ensure that the connection between your form and Zapier is functioning correctly. After you have tested the trigger successfully, it's time to set up your desired action. Here, you will click on Continue and choose your desired action app. This could be any number of apps, depending on your goal. For instance, it could be Slack for internal communication, Google Sheets for data management, among many other possibilities. Once you've selected your action app, follow the prompts given by Zapier to set up the action. This will involve mapping the data from the fields in your Squarespace form to the corresponding fields in your action app. By taking the time to ensure accurate data mapping, you can guarantee that your automated tasks will run smoothly and achieve the results intended. And with that, you now know how to add Zapier into your Squarespace projects. With this powerful combination at your fingertips, you have a whole world of automation possibilities ready to streamline your workflows, improve engagement, and make your life a whole lot easier. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful for you. Thanks for tuning in.